Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Mechanic Table is probably one of the most important investments you can make for your home workshop or professional garage, providing a sturdy and organized workspace to tackle any automotive repair or DIY project with ease and efficiency. This video will guide you through the key features and considerations to help you choose the perfect mechanics table to suit your specific needs and budget, ensuring you select a model that enhances your workflow and stands the test of time. Number 5. Keter Folding Work Table. It's ready in 30 seconds, no assembly needed. This lightweight table is perfect for DIY projects, home improvements, or on the job site. With a large surface supporting up to 1,000 pounds and 12 clamps, it handles heavy-duty tasks with ease. Keep your materials secure for any job. Ideal for various tasks, from miter saws to woodworking. Its quick opening and folding system makes storage and transport a breeze. Made from weather-resistant polypropylene and heavy-duty resin with aluminum legs, it won't rust, peel, or dent. Reliable performance in any environment. For over 75 years, Keter has been creating innovative solutions for life, in and around the home. It's designed to make your everyday life better. What we like. It's lightweight and sets up in seconds. If you need a sturdy work surface for various tasks and easy transport, this is perfect for you. Its foldable design makes storage a breeze, ideal for those with limited space. What people say. It's sturdy and easy to set up, making it ideal for various projects. The built-in clamps are a fantastic feature, holding materials securely in place while I work. I appreciate the portability. It folds up easily and is lightweight, so I can move it around my workshop or take it to different job sites without any hassle. They're hefty, can hold 1,000 pounds, but not heavy. The folding contraption is genius. Super easy to operate. Sets up in seconds, collapses just as easily. There isn't 1 inch of wasted space. The clamps it comes with are good quality and add a lot of value to the table. Having the storage shelf below the work surface is great for putting down tools where they're out of the way, but easily accessible. Very sturdy, comes with clamps which are handy, fast delivery, easy to set up, lightweight. Number 4. WEN WB4723T Workbench. This workbench is designed to make your work easier and more efficient. It's perfect for any project, big or small. It features 2 spacious drawers, upper and lower shelves, and a pegboard. Keep everything organized and within easy reach. The enamel-coated tabletop provides a large, non-marring work surface with a 220-pound capacity. It's built to last. 3 13-amp power outlets and an overhead fluorescent light are built right in. No more hunting for power or working in the dark. Standing at 62 inches tall, with a footprint of 25 by 48 inches, it's the ideal size for garages, workshops, or even basements. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a weekend DIYer, it provides the perfect workspace to tackle any project with ease and efficiency. What we like. This workbench offers ample storage and built-in power. If you value organization and need power access while working, this is the one for you. The extra features make it a great choice for workshops needing convenient power and lighting. What people say. It comes with instructions which are fairly good, but pay close attention to the pictures, instructions, and the orientation of the parts when you are attaching them. Work surface is thick, solid and textured for less slip and coated so spills will not soak in. It can also be drilled into to attach a vise, for example. The overhead light is great for illuminating your work. The drawers won't hold anything very heavy, but they're adequate for small hand tools or hardware. Number 3. GEARWRENCH 83166 Work Table. This is the GEARWRENCH 83166 Adjustable Height Mobile Work Table. It's perfect for any workspace needing height adjustability and durability. Easily adjust it to your ideal height, anywhere between 35 and 48 inches. Find the perfect ergonomic position for comfort and efficiency. It features a solid, solvent-resistant EVA mat. This ensures a long-lasting and easy-to-clean work surface. This table boasts a 125-pound center of load capacity. You can confidently work on heavier projects, knowing it can handle the weight. Even on the edges, it supports up to 65 pounds. It's built to withstand everyday use and various tasks. Its mobile design allows for easy repositioning, making it perfect for various work environments and tasks. Move it around your workspace effortlessly. What we like. It features an adjustable height and is easy to move around. If you need a mobile solution that adapts to your height and protects your work surface, this is ideal. The durable mat is perfect for various tasks and protects your tools. What people say. The table is exceptionally sturdy, constructed from high-quality materials that provide a solid and stable surface for various tasks. Despite daily use, it shows no signs of wear and tear, with the finish remaining intact and the casters rolling smoothly. The adjustable height feature is robust and reliable, allowing for perfect working height without any wobbling. One standout feature is its offset arm design, which allows the table to slide effortlessly under motorcycle lifts, providing easy access to tools and parts and significantly improving workflow efficiency. Number 2. ATD 7012 Work Table. This heavy-duty work table is perfect for any professional. Its robust design ensures stability and durability for all your tasks. It easily handles up to 220 pounds when the weight is centered. You can confidently work on even your heaviest projects. It features a handy drawer and a top tray liner for keeping your tools organized and within easy reach. Say goodbye to cluttered workspaces. Adjust it to your ideal working height, anywhere from 34 to 48 inches. Find the perfect ergonomic position for maximum comfort and efficiency. The large 29 by 20 inch top tray provides ample space for your tools and parts. It's designed to hold air tools, screwdrivers, and pry bars securely. The deep drawer offers plenty of room for storing larger items. Keep everything you need neatly organized and readily accessible. What we like. This heavy-duty table is mobile and offers convenient storage. If you need a robust, mobile workbench with extra storage for your tools, this is a great option. The drawers and tray provide ample space for organization. What people say. The quality is better than expected for the price and there's still no rust anywhere. The wheels have held up wonderfully even rolling around all the car chems and metal shavings. Easy to get out of the way, can hold over 200 pounds, great finish and good wheels, nice sliding drawer. It rolls nicely over the floor. It's light enough to just lift over any hoses or grates that are on the ground. It's sturdy enough to easily hold a CV axle, alternator or drive shaft. Strong enough to hold rotors and calipers and large enough to use as a workbench. Number 1. Eisen ES8 Work Table. This robust work table is designed to handle your toughest jobs. Its adjustable height and ample storage make it perfect for any workshop. Easily adjust it to your ideal working height, between 34 and 47.75 inches. The telescopic column makes height adjustment simple and smooth. It features a spacious top tray and drawers, providing plenty of room for all your tools and materials. Keep everything organized and within reach. Built from durable steel with a powder-coated finish, it's resistant to rust and corrosion. Protective liners and rubber bumpers safeguard your work and the table itself. 4 heavy-duty casters allow for 360-degree rotation, making it easy to move around your workspace. Get your work done efficiently, wherever you need it. With a 220 pounds capacity, it can handle even the heaviest tools and materials. It's built to last and support your demanding projects. What we like. It's height adjustable and rolls smoothly. If you need a durable, mobile workbench with great adjustability and smooth rolling casters, this is the best choice. The rolling feature and height adjustability make it perfect for various tasks and workspaces. What people say. Shelf standard work very good, as we needed adjustable strong, great material. For someone who works in the field, this is the perfect table. Package arrived, I opened the box and as soon as I picked up the first piece I was happy and knew I picked the right one. The reviews are right. If you're looking for a lifetime teardown table, this is it. I'm 6 feet 7 inches tall, this table raises up to my chest. I just finished a valve job on a Jeep and used this cart when I reassembled everything and it made the job easier, so I'm definitely happy with it. It was easy to assemble and well built with clean welds and smooth paint, so I would definitely buy another one if I ever lost this one. It's been modified with magnets around the sides and a shallow tray on the base to carry my runt stump. I've piled so many tools and parts on top of it that it actually bows a little until I clean it off. I keep it at its highest extension, and even severely overloaded it rolls smooth and stable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.